Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a reliable second number app and preparing essentials. Choose one offering VoIP, SMS, and a local number, then install it. Once installed, grant microphone, SMS, and contacts permissions so calls and messages route correctly. Make sure to allow notifications. Create or sign into your account, verify your email, and add a payment method only if you want a premium number. Next, open the app and tap Add, or Get Number to begin selecting your new second phone number. Now select and configure the number itself. Search by area code or country and choose local, toll-free, or a vanity number. Consider caller perception and cost. Once selected, configure call and SMS routing. Keep communications inside the app, forward to your main line, or set Do Not Disturb schedules for work hours. Customize voicemail greeting and caller ID so recipients see something professional. Also link the number to specific contacts or your CRM, and set per contact rules for screening or auto replies. Finish by verifying and testing everything. Send a test SMS and place a test call both incoming and outgoing to confirm audio and SMS delivery. Enable backups and two-factor authentication, tighten privacy settings, and sign out of any devices you do not use. Monitor usage and billing, and review porting or cancellation options if you change providers. If you hit an issue, no SMS or calls, first toggle permissions, restart the app, then reboot your phone. If still failing, contact app support with logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.